Struggling to change that skills page subheading on your Namecheap site? Here's exactly how to do it in under 5 minutes. All right, let's be honest. There's nothing more frustrating than launching your website and realizing that one section still has that generic default text staring back at you. It just doesn't feel like yours. And the skills page is one of the first places visitors look to see what you're about. So let's fix that right now. We'll go through 3 simple steps: accessing the editor, selecting the right element, and saving your changes. It's straightforward, I promise. So first things first, let's get into the dashboard. Start by navigating to your Namecheap account and opening up the website builder. You want to find the specific project where your skills page lives. Think of this as walking up to your house and finding the front door key. You can't make any changes from the sidewalk, right? Once you're in the dashboard, go ahead and click on Edit or Create Your Websites. This will launch the actual builder interface where you can move things around. Give it a second to load if it feels a little slow. Sometimes the builder takes a moment to wake up and pull in all your content. Just hang tight. All right, now we're inside the editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your pages listed on the left side or up top, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on the skills page to open it up. Now, here's where most people get tripped up. They try to double-click or right-click on the text, and nothing happens. Instead, what you need to do is simply click directly on the subheading area itself. You'll know you've got it when you see a blue or highlighted border appear around that text. That little highlight is your confirmation that you've selected the right element. And here's the really important part. Make sure you're clicking on the subheading, not the main heading or the body text. They look similar, but the editor treats each one as a separate block. Once that highlight is active, you can type in your new text. Replace the default wording with something that actually sounds like your brand. Keep it clear, keep it genuine. I've tested this process on a few different Namecheap layouts, and it works the same way every single time. Once you've made your edits and you're happy with how it reads, it's time to lock it in. Look for the Continue button. Usually it's floating in the top right corner or near the editing panel. Just click that to save your changes. Don't worry, you're not publishing anything yet by hitting Continue. This just stores your edit, so the builder knows you're done with that section. After that, make sure you hit the big Publish or Save button at the top of the screen to push your changes live to the world. If you skip that last step, all your hard work stays stuck in draft mode, and nobody will see your shiny new subheading. And that's it. You've gone from being stuck with a generic skills page subheading to confidently customizing it to match your brand's message. Feels good, doesn't it? Now go ahead and check out the rest of your pages. Chances are there are a few more spots begging for a personal touch. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.